Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm Chris, the Vegan Zombie, and today I've got a video that is near and dear to my nostalgic heart. When I was a kid, I would eat Fluffernutters, peanut butter and fluff on a sandwich. And I didn't even really know until recently that a lot of people didn't know that this was even a thing. I thought everybody knew about Fluffernutters. I used to eat them all the time when I was a kid, and I kind of stopped eating them as time went on, and there was really no vegan fluff anymore. There was one that was called marshmallow, but then that got phased out, and I haven't seen that around. But my good buddies over at Dandies have their Dandies marshmallow cream. This is let me just show you. Look at that. Can you see? Ooh, the smell. It smells exactly like I remember fluff. It's just like a spreadable marshmallow cream. And we are going to make a Fluffernutter. Now, what is a Fluffernutter? It's pretty simple. A Fluffernutter is your favorite fluff, your favorite peanut butter, on 2 pieces of bread. It's a sandwich. That's all it is. So we're gonna make one. Easy as that. Quick, simple video. Let's get right to it. All right, so I have some Heidelberg bread because I really like it. And this is the hearty flaxseed. So we're just gonna grab 2 of those. Grab whatever bread is your favorite. If you want garlic bread on a Fluffernutter, be my guest. And the first thing I'm going to do is put down some peanut butter. I like the organic creamy peanut butter. There's really no ingredients in this other than a little bit of salt and some peanuts. And we're just going to spread that nicely on the bread. I mean, come on, you guys know how to make a peanut butter and jelly, don't you? Look at that. You want to get it all over the entire part of the bread. You don't want to get that part that only has peanut butter. It's no good when you're eating this. Get a nice amount of that nice creamy spread on there. And there you go. Save the rest for another day. Okay. And boom. Get a nice sharp knife and cut your sandwich in a triangle. And then, there you go. You got your Fluffernutter right there. If you've never had a Fluffernutter, you gotta try one. And guys, this is the perfect thing to make in a zombie apocalypse. You never know if a zombie's gonna bust in the front door or come down the chimney. This doesn't take very long to make. It is a survival food. You can do it. Well, there's only one thing left to do. Good old taste test. Well, that's a good lunch. If you guys have never had this before, you gotta get this fluff when it comes out. If you see it, pick it up and thank me later. You know the drill. Comment below, hit the thumbs up. You can get merch like this shirt below, and stay safe. Watch out for zombies. I'll see you guys next time.